Welcome you all. Today let's see a topic work done as a scalar product. Work. The term is used in our daily life frequently and we can understand that it's an act of doing something. When a force displaces a particle, work is said to be done. If there is no displacement, there is no work done. For that, see this figure. There is a blue colored block, a body of mass m, and a constant force F acts on this body. This force makes an angle theta with the horizontal. The horizontal component of the force Fx is equal to F cos theta, and the vertical component of the force Fy is equal to F sin theta. Now, this force displaces this body to a displacement d, and the force has changed the velocity of the body from u to v. Here u is the initial velocity and v is the final velocity. We have already learnt about the equation of motion and know that v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Here the displacement S is replaced by the displacement D. If you multiply both sides by half m and we get half m v square is equal to half m u square plus half m into 2ad. We can write this equation as half m v square minus half m u square is equal to mad. This is equal to ma dot d. We know that force is the product of mass into acceleration ma from Newton's second law of motion. Here a is the horizontal acceleration, so force is horizontal force. So half mv square minus half mu square is equal to fx dot d. Here the expression for kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Here the final velocity is v, so the final kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. U is the initial velocity, so the initial kinetic energy is half mu square. So final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy gives change of kinetic energy. This is equal to fx dot d. Now we all know that all moving bodies have kinetic energy. So there must be a relation between work and kinetic energy. This relation between kinetic energy and work done is called work energy theorem. So you replace this change of kinetic energy by work done. So work done W is equal to Fx dot D. Then you give the value of Fx, which is the horizontal component of the force F, is equal to F cos theta. Then this force makes an angle theta is equal to 0 with the horizontal. So cos 0 is equal to 1. When you apply that value in this equation, you will get W is equal to F dot D. So W is equal to F dot D. So the work done by a constant force is a scalar product of force and the displacement. The dot product of vector quantities is always scalar, which means this work done has only magnitude and no direction. Thank you.